Hi, I'm Dominic Morass. I'm the manager of Nangiloc Colignan Farms, which is a family business. And my father started the company over 40 years ago. We farm over 1,500 acres of table grapes, lemons, oranges, mandarins and wine grapes. Consumers are wanting to get conveniently packaged product that is consistent and safe. With the Marco system, we saw an opportunity to expand our business by offering our customers punnets. We can pack clamshells, punnets, loose product and bunch bags simultaneously. The line features electronically weighed workstations that can monitor how our packers are progressing, and we can actually ensure that each punnet is not underweight, and also we can set a limit so that we don't give away too much product. Having this flexibility is proving to be the key factor for expanding our export sales. The weighing workstation is part of a 4-tier intelligent conveyor system which delivers product from the field to the packers, takes away the empty boxes and delivers the packed product to the end of the line. With the global move towards top sealing, we have the flexibility of adding a top sealer to this system at any stage. It is critical as it improves food safety. The Marco system has a high-speed printer and labeler that helps professionally label each punnet. It has the capability of holding 2 rolls of labels, so when one's finished, it will just continue labelling without any downtime. Yes, as it's a fully flexible system, we can pack either punnets, clamshells, bunch bags, loose product. The Marco system allows us to be very responsive. The accurate weight control helps ensure that each pack looks the same, which is very important to the consumer. Additionally, it logs every punnet weighed, and this data can be drawn out of the computer. This gives great confidence that the technical specifications provided by our customers are being adhered to on every order. And Marco have been brilliant to work with. When the boys came to set up the system, they gave us a rundown on how it works, so having 24-hour backup is fantastic.